Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. Today, we're showcasing a stunning collection of the most beautiful, stylish, and absolutely adorable crochet blouse designs that are trending right now. If you love fashion, handmade beauty, and unique crochet creativity, then this collection is made especially for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy these amazing crochet blouse inspirations. Crochet fashion continues to win hearts all around the world, and it's easy to see why. Every stitch tells a story, every pattern carries creativity, and every design reflects elegance, beauty, and timeless style. As you watch this collection, you'll discover crochet blouse designs made for every occasion, from casual everyday wear to elegant party outfits to classy dinner looks, and even fashionable statement pieces that instantly grab attention. Take a look at this beautiful design. Notice the delicate stitch work, the perfect pattern combinations, and the incredible attention to detail. This is what makes crochet fashion truly special. Each blouse is handmade with love, patience, and artistic passion. Now moving on to another stunning piece. This design combines modern fashion with traditional crochet artistry. The texture, the shape, the color combinations, everything comes together beautifully. Whether you love short sleeves, long sleeves, sleeveless styles, or off-shoulder designs, this collection has something for every fashion lover. Crochet blouses are not just clothing, they are wearable art. They allow you to express your personality, your confidence, and your unique sense of style. Look at this next masterpiece. The intricate patterns, the elegant finishing, and the stylish fit make it truly unforgettable. Imagine pairing a blouse like this with jeans, a skirt, shorts, or even formal trousers. The styling possibilities are endless. And here comes another gorgeous design. Soft, elegant, feminine, and absolutely eye-catching. Perfect for women who love standing out with handmade fashion. One of the most beautiful things about crochet is its versatility. You can create bold designs, minimalist designs, vintage-inspired looks, or modern trendy fashion pieces. Every blouse in this collection brings something different, something unique, something inspiring. As we continue, pay attention to the creative stitch patterns, the neckline designs, the sleeve details, and the beautiful finishing touches. These little details transform simple yarn into breathtaking fashion. If you're a crochet lover, a fashion enthusiast, it evolves, it inspires, and it continues to create fashion that feels personal, artistic, and unforgettable. We hope these beautiful crochet blouse designs inspire your next fashion choice, your next crochet project, or simply bring you joy and creative ideas. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this collection, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful crochet fashion inspiration. See you in the next video.